Before each use and after cleaning, oil the entire surface of your grill with vegetable oil suitable for consumption. Use a cloth and heat-resistant gloves. When still hot, you can scrape food residue off with your Ophir spatula. When cooled down, you can use a steel sponge or steel brush for thorough cleaning. Mind, however, the darkening of the steel is normal after a couple of uses. Have you missed your maintenance or forgot oiling? Then more rust can have layered up. Use a steel sponge, steel brush, sandpaper, or a sander to remove the rust first. Oil your grill completely using pan spray, coconut oil, or other vegetable oil. Always store your grill inside in a dry place.